Are you tired of unexpected guests taking over your home? Don't let Pest ruin your peace.
Introducing Pestie,
The smarter, affordable DIY pest control solution that delivers pro-grade products straight to your door.
Pestie makes pest control simple
No complicated tools,
and no expensive contract.
just effective treatments tailored for your home and your location. And here in the South, we have bugs,
Lots of bugs.
ants,
Spiders,
cockroaches,
ladybugs.
stink bugs. I've even found a tiny scorpion inside our house.
Yes.
And did I mention ants? And that's where Pestie comes in. Pestie is a DIY pest control that provides professional grade products at an affordable price,
It's a fraction of the cost of regular pest control companies.
saving you time and money and the hassle of hiring people to come to your house and having strangers show up at your door. So simply order a customized treatment designed for your area and your specific needs, then sit back and relax, wait for your order to show up at your door.
The best part is how easy it is. It only takes about 10 minutes. Everything you need comes in the box. You got your application gun, you got your Pestie's bag, you have your Pestie pesticide, you have your little pair of gloves.
It's really simple. Just fill the included application bag with water from your outdoor spigot and hose, then pour the concentrated pesticide into the bag. Insert the tube and sprayer into the bag, screw on the cap, and then give the bag a good shake.
Pull the wand out, turn it on.
And then just spray around the foundation of your home. And that's it. You have now protected your home from bugs.
It's got a really neat electric sprayer. It's really nice. You don't have to pump it up or anything. Just push it on, pull your little wand out, and it works great. I really like that about Pestie. It has a little charging port here, so if the battery goes dead, you can plug it in and charge it up.
All of Pestie products are pet and kid friendly, which is super important to me as a mom. Also, Pestie sends only what you need and nothing that you don't to help minimize the effects on the environment, because we want the honeybees to stay happy and healthy. We want the bugs to thrive in their own environment outside, not inside our house. And speaking of pets, Pestie also has this tick and flea treatment for pets, which is great because we just got a new dog. Meet Sadie. She is a mini Australian Shepherd and Corgi mix. She is a new member of our family and we absolutely love her. She is also an inside and outside dog, so we don't want her bringing any bugs inside our home. So we use Pestie to help keep her nice and healthy and bug-free. And the great thing about this flea and tick treatment is that it smells great and it is safe, so I can use it directly on her and her bedding inside our home. Another great thing about Pestie is that they have pro-grade products designed specifically for your area's bugs and your climate.
So you only get the most effective products delivered at the right time.
And the chemicals that they send are rotated so that the bugs do not build up a tolerance for them, which makes Pestie more effective over time.
Plus, when you sign up for their subscription, you get everything just when you need it.
Helping you keep your home bug-free. And speaking of bug-free, another great thing is their bug-free guarantee. They have a 100% money-back guarantee and they stand behind their products.
So if you have a bug problem and you're needing some pest control solutions, we highly recommend Pestie.
Be sure to check the caption down below for a special discount code just for our viewers.